All right, good morning, Dad. For this, like bye we left with just few portion here. Yeah, because the way we did it planting, we don't want for rain to be like falling on it, so it will be leaking. So we make it in a way that it will be very guaranteed, and the rain will not disturb. So you can see there was some adjustment made here. So you see, so as the guy pull it or pick it up, finish the facing. We put it up. I have been doing so. He going again. Maybe from now to Saturday again, he will come again here. Want to add some up. So just this place remaining now. So the way we were previously looking at it has not been like that. So we have extended. So you can see this is the provide. We stay on it. We are doing it gradually, small. You see. So that's it. Thank you. This is like this. You man? Let me not again. There's a sunny day here.